With this video, just wanted to touch on a nice tool. I know not a lot of people use Microsoft Edge, but in this space with working with this touch technology, there's a really nice tool called Immersive Reader. Whereas if you're on a busy website with a lot of images or videos behind the text itself, a lot of noise that's distracting from what you're wanting to present as the text, I'll show you how we can strip that out with a nice Microsoft tool called Immersive Reader. But let's get amongst it. If we hit the Microsoft Edge tab and let's say access any website, again, to do a right mouse click on this screen, we're going to press and hold and let go, and that's going to achieve a right mouse click. So if we want to select a passage of text, press, hold and let go, it gives you this little selection cursor here. So we can select the passage of text we need. When you let go, it gives you this small menu where we're going to click more actions. And you'll notice here, which is 5 up from the bottom, open selection in Immersive Reader. When we press this, it's going to strip out that passage of text that we've selected. And you'll notice up the top, we've got 3 tabs. So this is a way to just really highlight the text that you're wanting to present, but you can manipulate some of this. So we can make that text larger or smaller. Make it large for this or medium for this instance. You've got a few different fonts you can choose from, but where it's quite nice in your page themes, we can just, change that background color and font to make it pop, just depending on the lighting, the room, the audience we have. Where it gets fairly clever as well, you've got a line focus tool. If you do need this, you can select 1, 3, or 5 lines here. And with your gesture, just move the text up and down to focus in attention. We'll turn that off. And where it gets quite clever as well, we can translate this text to many different languages around the world. So if we wanted to change that to say a Maldi passage here, we could just select the language, hit translate, and off we go. That's how we strip some text out of a busy web page with a lot of noise behind the text using Immersive Reader and some of the clever tools that are built in with Immersive Reader.